Hi, you've purchased a 2984 All-In-One Eliminator trailer and need to know how to set it up. Here's a quick 8-step process we're going to run through to make it easy for you. Also, if you have any issues or questions, feel free to call your local sales or service department and we'd be happy to help you anytime. Step 1. Parking the All-In-One. Start by pulling the machine into position and stopping on level ground. Step 2. Start generator. Start up your generator, and if you are using your own power source, make sure to connect the power to the electrical junction box. Ensure disconnects are switched on, and once the display is booted up, turn on the hydraulics. Step 3. Disconnect truck. Position pads located on the front of the machine under the landing gear feet. Then drop landing gear. Landing gear control levers are on the driver's side front corner. Once the legs are set, disconnect the truck and pull it clear. Step 4. Level machine. Deploy remaining jack legs to level the machine. These are located at these locations. Ensure the machine is level side to side for maximum operating efficiency. Step 5. Unfold lead-in elevator and pups. Using a remote, unfold intake completely. Then lift both pups out of their cradles. Fold cradles down. Now, lower the trolley completely. Then position the pups to loading position. Lower fill elevator into position by enabling Boom Auto at the main panel. Step 6. Unfold discharge tip down. Position your conveyor line in relation to your tip down, then lower tip down onto conveyor. Step 7. Position dirt elevator. Position your dirt elevator underneath your All-In-One's dirt cross. Step 8. Machine start. Setup is complete. You are now ready to start using your All-In-One. And that's the whole setup. Once you've run through it a couple times, it'll be second nature. When you're ready to pack it back up again, repeat these same steps in reverse. And if something's not lining up, reach out and we'll get you squared away. Thanks for choosing Spudnik.